Hi friends, I am Sai and welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I'll take you over to the annual benchmark test on the Oneplus Nord device after the recent software update. So yes friends, just a couple of hours ago, I did receive the software update in the Oneplus Nord 2, and let me just show you exactly what is the software update which I got. So in the software update, they did mention that improved system stability has been, as you can see, included, and some features are related to the camera things which are got optimized and improved, as you can see, but there is nothing information regarding the system security update. So right now the system security update which I'm trying to run is of June month. As you can see, annual security update is of June, and right now when I'm trying to make the video, it's of I think close to 3rd August. As you can see, it's 3rd August. So still I did not receive the July security patch update during this time of testing. So first, before starting the annual benchmark test, let me need to do the reboot test first. So let's restart and then do the annual benchmark test, because that is what a lot of users they did ask me. Can you please restart the phone and try to do the annual benchmark test? So that might give some kind of better idea what is happening with this phone. And let's check the temperatures. So right now it's of 32 degrees. The temperature is not bad. My room temperature is pretty low. It's only 30 degrees, my room temperature. And backside 32 degrees, as you can see friends, 32.6. And during this time of annual benchmark test, I'll try to use the high performance mode, which has been recommended by most of the users. So whenever I try to use high performance mode, the performance in the Oneplus Nord 2 is slightly increased. I mean, in terms of the benchmarks, I'm trying to say, in terms of the benchmarks, I did see improvement in the scores in the Oneplus Nord 2 device. So even this time also, let's use the high performance mode as well during this process of demonstration. So first thing is to disable everything. So Wi-Fi turned off completely, and clearing all the background applications are completely clean. Let me need to go to the battery and select the high performance mode first. So is more battery settings and high performance mode turned on. As you can see friends, it's good. So now let's get started with the annual benchmark test. Is annual benchmark test application. Let's see what will be the annual benchmark scores right now. So don't worry, these are the scores which I got yesterday after doing annual benchmark test 3 times. 3 times I did the annual benchmark test, not only in this phone, comparing with other phones. So I think a couple of hours ago, maybe 12 hours ago or 13 hours ago, I did upload a video, this one. So that is the reason you are seeing this kind of low scores, but don't worry at all. I did take the screenshot. I did took the screenshot before. So when I reached the 6,56,000 or 6,67,000, something around that. So I'll try to compare the screenshot now to versus the before. So before update and after update. And I'm trying to use the high performance mode as well. That's one thing which a lot of users they did ask me. So let's see friends how much the temperature can actually increase this time, and will there be any kind of improvement in the annual benchmark scores or not after the recent software update. Because every time we do the software update, there's something going to be side effects, neither the battery or maybe the performance, maybe the something system problem, something may happen in this kind of software update. But let's see in this latest small mini update, system stability, whether it got improved or not scores. So again I'll be back after some time just to test how much percentage the phone has been reached. Right now the phone percentage reached to 35 degrees, as you can see 35.6. So again I'll be back after maybe close to 70% of the annual benchmark test, then we can actually discuss what is happening. Right now, as you can see friends, it's of close to 78% and 80%. Right now the temperature, let's check what is the maximum temperature. 38.6 is the maximum, 38.8 is the maximum. I'm trying to find out the maximum value, whether it can reach 39 degrees or not. 38.8. So 38.8 kind of close to 39. Yes, kind of close to 39 degrees during this process of demonstration. So this is what I'm trying to look after friends, because for every update I need to test so whether the temperatures are maintaining properly or not. That's the one thing which you need to take care. So same thing has happened even with the previous OnePlus phones, whatever I used. I think with the OnePlus 9R. So in the beginning, first week of the using this device, OnePlus 9R, I did feel a lot of heat in the OnePlus 9R and a lot of temperature getting really very high. But later with the software update, the temperatures got decreased. That's the one thing I can definitely say that. But let's see in this OnePlus Nord 2 whether that's the case or not. That is what I'm going to exactly talk about. So 90% we are kind of getting close to the end, and right now the temperature is slightly decreased. So overall the maximum we did see around close to 38.8 kind of, so close to 39 degrees. So 39 is the maximum temperature I think the OnePlus Nord 2 did reach during this process of demonstration. That's the one thing. So again I'll try to do the CPU throttling test and different benchmark tests as well, because so let's see whether the system stability is actually improved or not with the latest update. That is what the update says, system stability. So let's check in the annual benchmark and a CPU throttling test. I do know this is not the realistic test to see, but just as a request which has been asked by plenty of subscribers. That is the reason I'm trying to do this kind of testing. The main reason why a lot of users are actually interested in the Antutu benchmark scores is because of the Realme X1 Max. The Realme X1 Max has got the Dimensity 1200, and this phone has got the benchmarks of close to 6,80,000, 6,90,000, even 7 lakhs in some of the few users they did mention. So whereas the OnePlus Nord 2 is getting kind of close to, I think, 6,70,000, 6,60,000. 60 if you use a high performance mode, only then it's trying to reach. If you don't use a high performance mode, the score will come close to 6 lakhs only in the OnePlus Nord 2. But without using any kind of mode at all, the Realme X1 Max can go up to 6,80,000. So that is the reason a lot of users are actually having this kind of really curiosity on this OnePlus Nord 2 with the latest software update, whether this is possible or not. So right now we'll have the answer exactly whether it's possible or not in the OnePlus Nord 2. It's kind of 99% and 6,70,000. As you can see, even 6,70,000 we got here right now. That's fantastic. When compared with the before score, I think this is the highest so far. I think in the OnePlus Nord 2, I'm trying to say in the OnePlus Nord 2 only, this is the highest I've seen. So highest, yes. 6,70,000. I do know the Realme X1 Max is slightly more than this OnePlus Nord 2, but still we need to compare with ourselves in this OnePlus Nord 2 phone. Let me try to show you the screenshot which I gathered before, so that will give you the clear idea what is happening with the benchmarks. So let me try to show you the benchmark on the day one when I did. As you can see, day one 5,88,000, because at that time I don't know to use the high performance mode which will actually boost it, but later I did see plenty of comments that did mention that, bro, can you please use the high performance, only then the score will actually increase. Then I started to use the high performance mode. Let me try to show you. Then I got this kind of results, 6,69,000 in this phone, in the OnePlus 9R. So this used to be the before highest one. Now highest we got about 6,70,000. Only few numbers, but still it's got highest. But we need to concentrate most of the time on the CPU and the GPU scores. So not on the old scores. Try to concentrate on the CPU and the GPU, because that is the most important topic right now. Let's go to the Antutu benchmark application and let me try to open side by side. Then you will be able to understand it properly. So now 6,70,000 and 6,69,000. You can see the CPU performance 1,78,000 and before 1,77,000. You can see CPU thing, that's good. And next GPU. Right now the GPU is 2,34,000 and before the update 2,36,000. The GPU, you can see clearly, friends, before and after. Before update, after update. You can see clearly what is happening with the CPU score 178 and 177. As you can see, friends. So I think the GPU got slightly maybe decreased. And let's check the temperatures. What is happening with the temperatures? Temperature before it raised up to 61 degrees. It increased. Sorry, 6 degrees it increased. 6.1 degrees, not 61. Sorry. So right now it increased by 5.1 degrees. So maybe the temperature might be maintained a little bit kind of less. That's kind of good sign, I would say, doing this process of demonstration. Not bad at all. In the maybe 1 degree we did see, but I need to do in-depth testing before I come into a conclusion, any kind of thing about the temperatures. I need to do testings on this maybe today and tomorrow. I'll try to be back again. So meanwhile, if you have any other queries regarding this OnePlus Nord 2, let me know in the comment section below. So definitely I'll be able to do those testings in my channel. And my main focus will be on app cloning issues and dual apps functionality and app closing issues as well. I'll try to test those features for the next couple of hours. See you in the next video, friends. I'll straight up for more